Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a review of the Bad Dragon toy Angie. It came out years ago, um, but they did a creation drop and had it. It's been highly recommended to me from some friends, so I figured I'd try it out. Might get some more toys maybe next month because they're doing a legacy listing or something. Maybe not. I don't know. I already said that I probably wouldn't do another one of these because I'm running out of room. As you can see, I already got 3 of those plus the ovipositor, which is back over hiding there. So I guess maybe I could have more room. The problem is that eventually I'm gonna have to move these, and the more I have, the harder it is to hide when I try to move them. But I'm sure it'll be okay. Um, so let's open this with a knife that's not meant to open jack nor shit, but I'm using it anyway because, big knife. Hopefully I won't dox myself like I did on the first recording because I just displayed where I lived right on the shipping label. It might have displayed down there. Hopefully not. It actually worked better than I thought it would. So just if you get it alone, it's actually pretty light. It's probably as light as this one is Twitch. This is, I guess Twitch is also a legacy toy, so it's not saying much. Oh wow, this is really small. I saw somewhere that this is like the lightest toy. Hold up. Okay, now that the package is all opened up, I saw that this was actually like the lightest toy, which makes sense because this is really small. This is actually the smallest one I have. This weighs almost nothing. It feels like a pound. Sophie's actually a pretty hefty girl. And Nyx, of course, is their heaviest at about 5, I'd say. Let's see how it compares. Probably throw up some cross sections of how this toy is supposed to be. But yeah, this is the color that I could get. I couldn't get like the natural green because all it came with on the drop was is that a mist pour? Huh. I hope that doesn't affect the quality because that's nowhere near the center. But it wasn't discounted, so I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, there was this color and then like colors kind of like this one, except not quite, and it didn't look good on it. And this is the best I could do, which is, I guess, this is probably natural coloration because if you look at the dyno, it looks, like this color. So, yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't get green. Well, yeah. Sorry, I thought crossed my mind. It looks like a pretty inviting hole though. So, yeah, I'll try it out and let you guys know how it feels. Okay, coming after session here. This thing, very good. Very, very good. I don't know if I put it above Nyx. As you can see, this is water. I promise this is water. I just washed it. But yeah, this thing, very, very good. I don't know if I put it above Nyx, but it has some really good features. The entrance is a little hard to push into, which wouldn't be too bad if it hogged as tight as Nyx, but it does not, so that's a little unfortunate. However, it makes up for it because around in here on the cross section, I'll put somewhere, there's like a bump, and when you get a push past that, that is good. I might even see, well, no, that's just texturing, but yeah, very, 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 very highly recommend. The legacy page, I guess, would be coming up. Oh, by the time we're recording, that'd be coming up today. Ooh, okay, well, yeah, if you can get this, I'd recommend picking it up, but, yeah, That's kissable if you're into that. Yeah, I really don't know what else to say. It's a very light toy. It's like a pound, so very easy to bring along if you're like one of those gooner people. Very good. Sounds incredible. I don't know what else to say. It's just a good toy. So yeah, thanks for watching.